उड़ीसा के गांव-गांव फैला उजियारा. The age-long darkness is being eradicated. The civilization, which never envisaged development, is now optimistic of a bright future. The echo of Gaon Gaon Bijli, Ghar Ghar Ujala is felt in every village and every house of Orissa. Benefits of Rajiv Gandhi Gramin Vidyutikaran Yojana, a Government of India's flagship program, are reaching one and all. Our GGVY program commenced on 4th of April 2005 by Ministry of Power, Government of India has illuminated every village with hope. Government of India is providing 90% grant for this program. REC is the nodal agency for its implementation. By 15th of January 2010 in India, electricity has been provided to a total 1,71,371 villages under the program, of which 69,963 villages are those villages which did not have electricity so far. Under this program, 88,84,000 BPL families have been provided electricity connections. Orissa is one of the beneficiary states where 7,756 villages have been electrified, of which a total 3,935 villages were unelectrified. Additionally, 55,211 BPL households have been provided electric connections in the state. Orissa enjoys the highest budgetary support among all states with provision of rupees 3,575 crore under RGGVY. The traditional art and architecture, folk dances, handicraft, embroidery, traditional garments and local festivals have their own identity. Kalahandi, Bolangir and Deoghar districts, rich in mineral deposits, have gorgeous landscapes, waterfalls, rivers, lakes, etc. But life comes to a standstill after sunset. With great difficulty, villagers manage their daily routine with the help of lanterns, candles, etc. But now, electricity is being provided even in the remotest villages of these districts.
Electric asla ko amke besi subidha hela. पिला माने बहुत भल भाव में पढ़ापढ़ी करछंती सान सान टा माने भी पढ़ापढ़ी करूछन तापरे ए जते बिछु कंकड़ा माने समस्त देखि पारुछु आमे और भल भाव रही पारुछु.
A large number of villages have been illuminated under RGGVY. We can witness happiness and enthusiasm in these villages. Feeding livestock at night has become easy. Children are able to study at night. Shops remain open till late in the evening. On returning from day-long chores, villagers sit together at night and share their lives. Children grab this opportunity to play at night. Indeed, life of villagers has changed for good. Tribals take pride in associating themselves with RGGVY program. Traditionally, tribal women collect leaves and grass from the jungle to make dona pattal, broom, rope, etc. Women were forced to complete all their activities before sunset, but now they are able to do it even during the night. The day on which electricity is released in the village is celebrated by performing traditional folk dances in anticipation of positive changes in their life to come, continuing with the traditions and culture.
गोलामुंडा ब्लॉक में एक गांव है जमगुड़ा बहाल. अक्सर हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन होने के बाद, बल्ब जलने के बाद हम लोगों को, बच्चों को चॉकलेट देते हैं. जब एक बच्चे के मैं चॉकलेट दे रहा था, उसने कहा, मोते चॉकलेट चाहिए नहीं, मोते बिजली चाहिए.
Villagers are moving forward and are accepting modern lifestyle also. The growth of our country also depends on the development of villages, and electricity plays a vital role in developing any village.
चछुपाली गाँव आज प्रथम लाइन लगब आ स्कूल रे टिके लाइन लगले छ माने पिला माने पाठ पढ़िया को सुविधा हबो. अंगनवाड़ी रे मीटिंग फिटिंग करिया को सुविधा हबो. अंगनवाड़ी टा हमर चली जी. एसएचजी ग्रुप अछि दीटा.
Free electricity connections are being provided to BPL families under RGGVY program. This program has enabled people of Kalahandi, Bolangir and Deoghar districts of Orissa to merge with the mainstream of the nation and become a part of the growth of the nation. RGGVY has not only transformed the living conditions but also the lifestyle of villagers. Today, people living in the villages, jungles and mountains of Orissa take pride in being connected with the nation and its system.
Rajiv Gandhi Gramin Jyoti Yojana is a scheme where unelectrified villages, partially electrified villages and all the BPLs available in the villages are to be electrified.
The progress is quite satisfactory in the initial days. Now large scale work is going on in villages, and in next few months we will see many number of villages to be completely electrified.
राजीव गांधी ग्रामीण विद्युतीकरण योजना, गांव-गांव बिजली, घर-घर उजाला।